Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of redeeming rewards with Chase Ultimate Rewards, ensuring you can make the most of your points. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply looking for ways to enhance your everyday spending, we'll break down the steps in a clear and easy-to-follow format. Step 1. Sign in to your account. Begin by visiting the Chase Ultimate Rewards website or opening the Chase mobile app. Log in to your account using your Chase credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one linked to your Chase card. Step 2. Navigate to Ultimate Rewards. Once you're logged in, locate the Ultimate Rewards tab on the menu. This is where all your points and available rewards will be displayed. Click on the tab to access your rewards dashboard. Step 3. Check your points balance. In the Ultimate Rewards dashboard, you'll see your current points balance. Take a moment to review this, as it will determine which rewards you can choose from later on. Step 4. Explore redemption options. Chase offers various redemption options, including travel, cashback, gift cards, and merchandise. Click on the Redeem button to explore these options. Each category will have subcategories, allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for. Step 5. Choose your redemption type. Depending on your preferences, select the type of redemption you'd like to pursue. Here's a quick breakdown. Travel. Book flights, hotels, and rental cars through the Ultimate Rewards travel portal. Cashback. Redeem your points for a statement, credit, or direct deposit into your bank account. Gift cards. Choose from various retailers and dining options for gift card redemptions. Merchandise. Browse a selection of products available for point redemption in the Chase shop. Step 6. Confirm your redemption. After selecting your desired reward, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Make sure to review any fees or additional information regarding your redemption before finalizing the order. Step 7. Enjoy your rewards. Once confirmed, your rewards will be processed. If you booked travel, you should receive a confirmation email shortly after. For gift cards and merchandise, allow some time for shipping or delivery as specified. Final tips. Keep an eye on any limited time offers or bonus redemption periods to maximize your points. Consider transferring points to travel partners for higher value redemption options. This can often give you more bang for your buck. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy redeeming!